Now we have created our classes for MapReduce program. We have our mapper and driver ready. We have also specified a DSL query in a file query.json, and we are going to query Elasticsearch and pull only specific records and finally save them into a text file on SDFS. Alright, so in order to build this application, we have to do the same steps we did in our previous exercise. We'll first go to our project, right click, run as Maven build. And here we'll specify clean build and we want package, which is our jar file, and click run. So now our application is being built. So let's give it some time. Okay, so our build is successful and we should have a jar created in target. So let's refresh our project, then go to target, and here you can see a jar file created as es2mr job.jar. This is the file we are interested in, and in next lesson we will run this file on our Hadoop cluster. I'll see you in the next class.